In industrial and engineering projects, cables, connectors, and accessories are never just supporting products. They form the essential infrastructure behind power delivery, safety, communication, control, and transmission. In many projects, long-term stability is not determined by equipment alone. What truly affects system life and operational continuity is the design of the entire cable link, together with connection quality, protection, and installation execution. Cables, connectors, and accessories serve industrial B2B and engineering project environments. This is not a single product category, but a complete infrastructure system built on two main lines: industrial power cable systems and data and signal transmission systems. One main line is the industrial power cable system. It supports power delivery, safety, load transmission, and distribution connections, forming the foundation of project operation. This system typically includes low-voltage power cable, medium-voltage power cable, high-voltage power cable, armored cable, flame-retardative and fire-resistant cable, as well as cable joints, cable terminations, power connectors, cable trays, protection components, and grounding-related accessories. In many project environments, the real problems are often not in the cable itself, but in improper joint treatment, insufficient sealing at terminations, inadequate grounding design, and underestimated protection or installation quality. Beyond the power side, data and communication systems also determine project efficiency and visibility. They are essential to communication, control, monitoring, and transmission throughout industrial and digital operations. This part typically includes optical fiber cable, Ethernet cable, coaxial cable, flyer connectors, RJ45, BC, and flyer interfaces, together with patch panels, cable management components, and labeling accessories. In data systems, bandwidth, transmission distance, interference resistance, and interface compatibility determine whether the system can deliver stable transmission, precise control, and efficient maintenance. Many communication failures are not equipment failures, but problems in connection points, cable management, or interface matching. Across industrial automation, manufacturing facilities, power distribution projects, data centers, security systems, telecom infrastructure, and outdoor projects, what customers need is never just a few link solution that can be delivered, maintained, and verified as a whole.